Hotpoint Dryer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Hotpoint dryers that consist of the Hotpoint gas dryers and Hotpoint electric dryers, Hotpoint front load dryers, Hotpoint washer and dryers, Hotpoint top load dryer repair, along with all other Hotpoint models. If you are having problems with your Hotpoint dryer, such as the dryer won't start, the Hotpoint dryer belt needs replaced, dryer never stops turning during the cycle, dryer won't turn at all, dryer takes too long, dryer is too hot, the dryer won't stop, the dryer doesn't heat, the dryer trips the breaker, the dryer makes noise, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.